Have you ever pondered the importance of statistical data analysis? Have you ever considered how it can shape the trajectory of your research, your thesis, or even your business? The power of data analysis lies not only in the collection of numbers but also in the interpretation and understanding of these numbers. Picture this: a young researcher, let's call her Jane, embarking on her first major project. She has her hypothesis, she's gathered her data, but as she sits down to start her analysis, she freezes. The numbers on her screen start to blur together, and she realizes she's drowning in data with no idea how to swim. Jane's situation is not uncommon. The world of statistical data analysis can often seem like a dense forest, full of complex procedures and intricate pathways. It's easy to lose your way, to get lost in the data, to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of numbers. But Jane is determined. She doesn't want her hard work to go to waste. So she reaches out to a statistical expert, someone who can guide her through the forest of data, someone who can provide her with the tools to understand and interpret her numbers. Enter Leonardo Milchko. With his extensive experience and in-depth knowledge, Leonardo is the perfect guide. He doesn't just provide Jane with a map, he teaches her how to navigate. He walks her through her data, explaining the patterns and trends, helping her understand the story her numbers are telling. With Leonardo's guidance, Jane doesn't just make it through her data, she conquers it. She transforms from a confused researcher into a confident data analyst, ready to tackle any dataset that comes her way. This is the power of expert statistical advice. Contact www.statistical.agency. This is the impact of having a knowledgeable guide like Leonardo Milchko by your side. It's not just about getting through your data, it's about understanding it, about using it to drive your research forward, about harnessing its power to achieve your goals. Whether you're planning a study, unsure about your analyses, or simply overwhelmed by your data, don't hesitate. Reach out to Leonardo Milchko. Allow him to guide you through the jungle of statistical data analysis, to arm you with the tools you need to conquer your data to ensure the success of your work. Contact www.statistical.agency today. Don't just navigate through your data, conquer it.